is beauty beyond the island to you? Again, what is beauty beyond the island to you?
Thank you. For me, beauty beyond the island is just like our sweetest mango. Its golden skin represents the natural beauty of our land, such as land and water resources or historical sites and landmark. Inside, its rich fruit represents the sweet experience and memories for those who lived and visit Guimaras. And lastly, the seed, the core and the heart of our province are the strong, tenacious Guimaras non. And with this, for me, beauty beyond the island is just like a mango. Guimaras is beautiful outside, sweet and sincere within, and unbreakable at its heart. Thank you.
Thank